Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you an amazing remedy made of onion and baking soda plus other very good ingredients, to whoop out all of those things on your skin, to avoid strawberry skin, to avoid strawberry leg. You need to scrub this out a whole lot. This is actually going to be amazing. Your skin is actually going to be looking like glass, literally. Okay guys, so if you want to see what all of the ingredients comprises, do not forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's go. Okay guys, so to remove some strawberry skin, strawberry leg, okay, you're gonna be needing to use onion. Now onion contains an ingredient that helps you penetrate into your skin, lifting up all of those irritations and then making your skin look flawless, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be preparing the onion. I'm gonna be cutting just half of this, yeah. And then I'll have to cut it and gonna be blending it. So you can either grate it or pound it, whichever material you have to use in processing this, yeah. So you have to use red onion. Red onion is actually very ideal for this, okay? So you have to use red onion for you to get that utmost result. Well, in the absence of red onion, you can't find red onion, you can as well just use your white onion. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to be turning it in plus the shaft. You see how it is. I'm not going to be sieving it because you don't need to sieve it. You need all of the chaff to scrub out those strawberry skin and strawberry leg. Okay guys, so after that you're going to be needing this, and this is sweet potato. So in this particular one you're not going to be using your Irish potato. You're going to be needing to use sweet potato for this. Okay, sweet potato is going to be ideal for this particular strawberry leg, okay, because sweet potato contains some acidic nature in it that would help to penetrate your skin. If you can see this, you can see all of the acidic thing coming out. Yeah, it will help to remove all of those strawberry skin and make your skin look really flawless. And so guys, I'm gonna go boil this and we're gonna be right back for a boiled sweet potato. So this is our boiled sweet potato, yeah. And what we're going to do here is that we're gonna cut, mash, or you're gonna blend, however you want it. So for me, I'm actually going to blend this because when I blend this, it's going to actually make it blend really well. So I would actually have to turn in the onion juice into it and then blend it with the onion with the onion here, basically. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna be turning it in, done blending, and this is how it looks like. Yeah, so the consistency has to be this thick, okay, so that it could actually remove all of that strawberry leg. Okay guys, so we're equally going to be needing to use some baking soda. Now baking soda helps so much for the skin. It helps to fight, you know, strawberry leg, and it also helps to fight some growth. It scrub out dead skin cells, you know, removing all unwanted pigments and rash on the skin. So 1 tablespoon of baking soda is what we're going to be needing. Okay guys, so it's gonna like turn dark because of the baking soda and onion in it. It's going to make it turn a little dark. Yeah, and we're equally going to be needing cucumber. Now cucumber helps so much in removing all age problems on the skin. It helps to make the skin really smooth and healthy. Okay, so we're gonna be removing all of those strawberry leg with cucumber. Now I want to blend create it. Okay, so I'm gonna be creating it in a circular motion. Okay guys, so after which you've blend this out, then what we're going to do here is that we're going to be sieving it, but in this case we're not going to be using the sieve out juice. So you just press it out and remove the juice. So in this case, this is what we're going to be needing, this chaff of this cucumber. So I'm going to be pressing out the juice, removing the juice, and this is what we're going to be needing. So I'm actually going to be putting it into the treatment, and that is why I actually create it, otherwise I would have blended it. Okay, so after which we've put everything, then we'll have to blend, stir this out. And this is how it looks like. Yeah, okay guys, so if you have a strawberry skin, I'm gonna be starting with my skin okay, on my hands and my legs, you know, to show you. So the first thing you do is to wet your skin all up. You wet your skin with water. And then you grab this treatment and then you apply it onto your strawberry skin. Now the first thing you do is to lay this treatment onto your skin first. Now I'll advise you, you know, to refrigerate it first of all. You have to first of all refrigerate it, so that as you're applying it onto your body, onto your hands and onto your leg, you know, it's just going to help you to remove all of those pigments and those strawberry skin. So I apply it onto my hands also. You just lay it there first of all. So after which you actually apply this, and then the next thing you do is to leave it for it to settle into your skin. You leave it for at least 3 minutes or 2 to 3 minutes, you know, and then after that, then you have to scrub it. Now you can actually even use a light sponge, you know, to scrub this treatment into your skin, and then you have to scrub it in a circular motion, just like this. The strawberry, I'm sure most people don't have, you know, strawberry on their face basically, so there's no need, you know, using this treatment on the face. But of course, if you want to use it for pigment and for age spots, you can still use it on your face, okay? So you can use it on your face and on your body, just like what I'm doing right now. So you scrub it in a circular motion, just like this. Now you would have to apply this treatment onto your strawberry skin again, or onto your skin if you have open pores or large pores and stuff, or even on your face. You apply this treatment, so you have to apply it again. Okay, so after which you've applied it like this, just like this, yeah, then you leave it on for at least 30 minutes, and then you wash it off. Now you wash it off with a lukewarm water or a cool water. Now you repeat this treatment every day. You can make it and store it into your inside your refrigerator. Now it's gonna go black more, you know, because of the baking soda and the onion, but it is very good. It's not bad. It has not gone bad yet. So you rub it every day for at least 2 weeks or 1 week at most. Those strawberry skin is gone forever, like it's literally gone for good. Okay, so go give this a try. I'm sure you're not going to regret it. Okay guys, so that's it. It is actually amazing. I actually decided to use my hands, okay, my body. Now you can actually scrub all of your body with this treatment, and it is so super duper amazingly beautiful, and it works like magic. Okay, but you have to give it a little time. Okay, all right guys, so that's it. I'll see you again in my next video. Do not forget to give me a like, turn on that post notification, and subscribe also and like it. Okay, and I'll see you again. Bye.